Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add a product specification section on your Shopify homepage or any other page. Also, it should be fully dynamic and responsive. Okay, you see in my screen there is a product specification section, and this tutorials actually one of my Shopify full course name phone case store design. And if you have already watched this free video, then you know that I have designed this store for phone case company, and in this store design we are following this website as demo reference. And here you can see that product specification section, but at the beginning we have missed this section because on the DOM theme you don't get this p chart by default. But you are so lucky that right now you can do this without any coding skill, because I have added this section in here. Looks here, I have added, but we need to add some more space on there, but still now it looks good. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how it's work dynamically from the theme customer section and in the theme font section. Okay, so you see that right now all the text is same. Also here is the same text, but we wanted to update it like this one or following this one and make it fully customizable from backend. Okay, to do this I'm going to my Shopify admin panel of this store. Here is my Shopify admin panel and click online store, and you see that I have designed this store with DOM theme. Then click on the customize and it's loading. Okay, scroll down, you see there is a after name product specification section, so click on it and you see I have added the product image. I can change it dynamically from here. Just we have to click on the change, then you have to select the target or desired image in here. Okay, so go back. Also you can update this information left table items. So now I'm going to update this information. For example, model first, so change it model first and model number. Okay, looks very carefully. Then material, we're going to update material, then material information looks here. Okay, looks. Then pattern, click on the solid, copy solid. Okay, so in the same way updating all this information. With the text or value. Okay, looks good. Then wait, okay, then charging, perfect, wireless charging. Okay, then display size, wireless charging also in here. Then update the right table item, click on it, right table item, so update item number is okay. Then this one compatible revise, yes, update the value. Now it looks good. I'm just checking everything and show you everything one by one so that you can understand and you can be sure that it's working. Okay, perfect. Screen protector, okay, camera protector, okay, and finally we're going to add this one and this one again. No, also this one. No, this will be battery required, not included. Perfect. Then finally click on the save. Asset save. Now go back my website, reload, scroll down, wow, you see it's updated very nicely. Just remove one. Okay, now it's same. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Perfect. Click on the save and reload. Okay, so we have to do one things in here, that is we have to fix some CSS. So no problem, I'll fix it. So I hope you understand that how it's working. And now the big question is that how you get the code snippet, because I already mentioned that you don't have to write any code. Okay, to get the code snippet fully free, you have to check out the video description. There you will get the code snippet link, or you can check out the top pin comment. So I hope you understand. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.